Hi guys, you've probably have heard that fintech in Africa is booming. Well, we've taken that pleasure to bring you top 5 entrepreneurs in Africa that are actually doing well in the fintech industry. My name is EJ and I'm on the show with Masamo. So do stay tuned, we'll be right back after the break.
Welcome back, guys, and this is still the top 5 entrepreneurs of the week, and I am Musamo. So, guys, quickly sitting on number 5, we have Branch with its co-founders Matt Flannery and Daniel Jung. So, Branch has helped more than 3 million people, and they've disbursed over $350 million. Branch is a lending mobile app that uses algorithm and machine learning to give out loans to people who need loans, unlike the traditional banking system. So the company itself has raised almost $260 million in funding so far. So Branch, I must say, is really doing a really good job, and I think they are better than most other lending apps out there. Sorry, this is not a paid promotion, but Branch.
Why?
At number 5, we have Branch.
At number 5, Matt Flannery and Daniel Young, co-founders of Branch, created a tool to verify the creditworthiness of Africans. To do so, a machine learning algorithm built by Branch's team analyzes various data gathered from users' smartphones, geolocation, call and text logs, contact lists, handset details, and some traditional banking info like repayment history. More than 3 million people have used the app, and more than $350 million in loans was distributed to them. The company itself has raised almost $260 million in funding so far. At number 4, we have the Cellulant founder in person of Ken Unjoge. He's the founder and CEO of Cellulant. Cellulant is actually a payment platform whereby they help musicians get amount of money in which the music lovers put to their songs. So Cellulant is they actually do several things. They actually do several things.
Should we say like Audio Mark or maybe Spotify?
Something like that. So they actually also claim that it's a mission to fully digitize payment on the continent. So they've even gotten an award for Entrepreneur of the Year in 2018 by EY. So they've been recognized. Up at number 4 is Cellulant, the CEO and founder Ken Unjoge. Number 4, Cellulant, founder Ken Unjoge. Cellulant launched as a music ringtone business that helped musicians earn a share of the money paid by music lovers to access their favorite songs. Now, the company is all about payments. It has created 2 solutions for easy payment and a blockchain-based smart contracting payment and marketplace platform for unbanked farmers in rural areas of Africa. The company claims that its mission is to fully digitize payments on the continent. The CEO of Cellulant, Ken Unjoge, was named the Emerging Entrepreneur of the Year in 2018 by EY. The company has raised $54.5 million in funding so far.
Alright, guys, now we are down to number 3, and at number 3 we have Tala, which is founded by Shivani Siroya. Now, Tala is truly an international company based in Santa Monica, California. The company uses mobile phone and behavioral data to provide quick loans. Anyone with an Android smartphone can apply for a loan from Tala. So basically, Tala is a mobile lending platform too. But Tala has raised $109.4 million in funding to date. And according to them, the whole lending process is done on a mobile platform. So it's a natural way for millennials to get the financing they need. So maybe somebody wants to start a new business but doesn't have the capital. So you could get a positive loan and get your business on the loan. So at number 3, we have Tala with its founder Shivani Siroya.
Tala, founded by Shivani Siroya. Tala is a truly international company. It's based in Santa Monica, California, but from the start was building its products and services from the Kenyan market. Now it has Now, it also operates in the Philippines, Tanzania, Mexico, and India. Tala was founded by the charismatic Indian entrepreneur Shivani Shiroya, who has a solid background in consulting and investment banking. The company uses mobile phone and behavioral data. The company uses mobile phone and behavioral data to provide quick loans. Anyone with an Android smartphone can apply for a loan from Tala. The company's financing options range from $10 to $500, with the median being $100. Tala has raised $109.4 million in funding to date. The whole lending process is done on a mobile platform, so it is a neutral way for millennials to get financing they need. Down to number 2, we have Faris. I think that's how it's pronounced. Now, Faris is one of the biggest electronic payment platform in Egypt, and it's amazing that they are being recognized in Africa. Egypt is like also one of the biggest country in Africa. So so Fari, the CEO and co-founder, is actually Ashraf Sabri. It was actually co-founded by Ashraf Sabri. So it's a payment platform that they use to purchase goods from e-commerce companies, but also they can withdraw their money from ATMs and pay at traditional retail points or use mobile wallets for online and peer-to-peer transfer. So it's basically an online payment platform. Fari, CEO and co-founder, is Ashraf Sabri, up at number 2. At number 2, Fari, co-founded by Ashraf Sabri. Fari is Egypt's largest electronic payment network. The company has created a wide range of digital payment services that combine online and offline channels. Customers can use Fari's product to purchase goods from e-commerce companies, but also withdraw their money from ATMs, pay at traditional retail points, or use the mobile wallet for online and peer-to-peer transfer. Clients can access Fari's services in more than 100 locations all around Egypt. The company now has more than 20 million customers to facilitate 2.1 million transactions a day. Fari has raised more than $100 million in funding so far.
Welcome back, guys, and thank you for still staying with us. This is to the top 5 entrepreneurs of the week. Now, before we give you our number 1 spotlight, as usual, we usually bring to you the recap of 5 down to number 2.
At number 5, Matt Flannery and Daniel Young, founders of Branch. At number 4, Ken Unjoroge, founder of Cellulant. At number 3, Shivani Shiroya, founder of Tala. Number 2, Ashraf Sabri, co-founder of Fari. Welcome back, guys. We are down to number 1, and we all know that consumption in Africa is actually booming, and this platform is wanting to enable that process. So OneFi is up at number 1, and they want to facilitate that boom by providing customers with a platform for quick small loans and other financial services, just like all the other platforms we've been talking about. So the CEO, I just like calling them CEOs. They know, a founder cannot be a CEO and a CEO cannot be founder. But anyway, the founder of OneFi is Chijioke Dozie. I love that name so much.
So OneFi, founded and co-founded by Chijioke Dozie, was the first African fintech to receive a credit rating from an international financial institution in December 2018. The company was assigned BB rating from the global credit rating company as Africa's leading credit agency, and OneFi has managed to receive over $10.8 million in funding so far. So OneFi
is off at number 1. Number 1. OneFi provides customers with a platform for quick small loans and other financial services. Their Carbon app is a simple mobile platform for payments, bills, investment, credit reports, and instant loans. It was built to help cover unexpected expenses or urgent cash needs of unbanked or undeserved customers in Nigeria. It mainly focuses on the retail segment. OneFi, co-founded by Chijioke Dozie, was the first African fintech to receive a credit rating from an international financial institution. In December 2018, the company was assigned a double B credit rating from the global credit rating company, Africa's leading credit rating agency. OneFi has managed to receive $10.8 million in funding so far. Yes! Chijioke Dozie was off at number one. You want to say something?
No, let me say that's a wrap, guys.
Yeah, wait, before we go, actually, fine, we know sometimes we get to be financially incapable of doing something and then we get to borrow. But don't get to loan money and you get to enter Squid Game. Because I mean, that Squid Game, they can bring that to Nigeria. So anyways, just get your money.
There's always positive
yes,
and
negative.
So if you're taking a loan, ensure that you have a plan.
Yeah.
All right, for you. Don't just take a loan because you want to
chill and spend your life and spend money and all that. Anyways, it's a wrap. Thank you so much. My name is EJ.
And I am Mo.
Bye.